Hey guys, Jay here, welcome to EonsOfBattle, and today I'd like to show you how to make some Wicked Fields bases. If you enjoy our videos and want to see more of them, head on over to our EonsOfBattle Patreon. Here are the paints I'll be using. You can find a list of materials in the description below. The first thing I did is I applied some Gorilla Glue to the bases to give them a little bit of elevation. I let that dry and foam up, and then I made myself a batch of texture paste, mixing together some wall spackle, Elmer's glue, a few drops of black ink, and some fine-grained sand. Once that was mixed, I applied it to the base, and then I used a damp brush to help move it around and sculpt it. I let the paste dry overnight, and then I primed the models black. I'm using an airbrush, but you could also do this with a rattle can. Next, I base coated all the models with some Vallejo chocolate brown. I'm using an airbrush, but you could also do this with a few thin coats applied with a brush. After that, I used my airbrush to apply some Army Painter Greenskin in patches on the base. If you don't have an airbrush, you can achieve a similar effect by watering down this paint and applying it in many thin coats. If you like our stuff, stay tuned for new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Once that was dry, I dry brushed the green areas with some Games Workshop Ogryn Camo. After that, I dry brushed the brown areas with some Vallejo Earth. Now that the painting is done, I'm going to be applying some dark green static grass to the bases, using a dot of Elmer's glue to hold it, and applying the static grass with a pair of tweezers. And to finish off these bases, I applied some wild green shrubs from Gamer Grass. If you followed along with this video, please post your work to Instagram and tag EonsOfBattle so that we can share it. And lastly, I gave the bases a rim job with some Vallejo Escorpena green, which is a very close match to Games Workshop's old Goblin green. And there are 3 finished Wicked Fields bases. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.